Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the August Bellabox. So let's get into it. So we're back to the blue box this month. And the card on top says Beauty Reset. And it shows all the products on it. Oh, there's also another card in here, and it has Bellabox word search. Find the makeup brand that all Bellas are receiving and fill in the blanks and sneak peek what's coming in your September box. I might do this at the end of the video and see if we can figure it out. The first product in here is Coco and Eve Like a Virgin. Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. That's actually kind of interesting. The card, well, this is just a sample 15ml size, but you can get the full size from the website for $64.95. I won't be doing that, I can't afford that. But it's nice to try some expensive products. But this one says, banish one-trick ponies from your cupboard with Coco and Eve's 5-in-1 miracle treatment for your hair. Transforming tresses in just 10 minutes, this luscious mask has taken the beauty world by storm. Enriched with a raw virgin coconut from Bali and fig essence. Take your hair back to where it started, soft, hydrated, and free from damage. So yeah, I'm definitely going to pop this one in the shower and try it out. I'm really keen to see if it actually does something for my, my one-trick pony. So yeah, interesting product, I must say. Next is a product from Sand and Sky. It's the Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Mattify and invigorate. Yeah, my tripod's broken. It's always been broken. It's hard to film. But yeah, we've actually tried Sand and Sky before, and I did enjoy the mask that they sent last time. I don't know if this is the same one. I wouldn't want this mattifying one. I would rather something hydrating. I have extremely dry skin, which Bellabox should know. I put it in the survey about your skin type and hair type and all that sort of stuff when you sign up. Like, I'm sick of getting mattifying products and sick of getting stuff for oily skin. You know, my profile says I have dry skin. But anyway, this millennial pink mask you've been searching all over the internet has a new sister. Meet Sand and Sky's Flash Perfecting Exfoliating Treatment. With a brand signature Australian pink clay, this 5-minute treatment resurfaces skin whilst absorbing excess oil for a super smooth, even tone, mattifying complexion. So the full size is $60 from the website. I mean, I'm kind of on the fence about even trying it just because it's so mattifying, and I probably have to follow it up with a hydrating mask afterwards, which would probably defeat the purpose of this to begin with. I might try it, but I can't guarantee I'm going to like it because it's mattifying, so... The next product in here is Roche-Posay, and it is the Toleraine Caring Wash. So it's a cleanser. Bellabox, stop sending me skincare, please. I receive so much skincare that I can't even use because it doesn't suit my skin. I'll try it. It says anti-dryness, so I actually will want to try this one. And I like how it's a lot bigger than some of the other samples we get given. But yeah, this one is a daily facial cleanser to gently cleanse and remove makeup without a drying or irritating sensitive skin. Enriched with caring benefits of 4 active ingredients. Spring water, niacinamide, glycerin, and panthenol to soothe and protect normal to very dry skin. Full size is $26.95, available at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. So I actually will definitely be trying this. I'm very keen to see if it actually works for my dry skin because that's what it's targeted for. But yeah, the first 3 products are all like two skincares and a hair care product. Like, every single person who signs up to Bellabox signs up for the makeup. We get like one thing every couple months. So I will still try this, but I didn't sign up for it for skincare. I didn't sign up for hair care. I signed up for makeup. and they increased the price of the box by another $2. When I first joined this box, it was $15 a month. Then a few years into it, they went up to $17.95, and the quality of the box didn't increase a hell of a lot. It increased a tiny bit, but not a lot. And now with this extra $2, it's now $19.95, which used to be $15. And the quality of the boxes still aren't improving. And it's making things harder and harder for me to stay with the price increases. I've been so loyal to Bellabox for so many years, and I don't want to leave because it's getting too expensive without the quality also increasing. If the quality increased to like BoxyCharm in America, it's like $21 US, and they get 5 full-size like products, not sample size, full size, and most of it's makeup. This is 5 sample sizes at $19.95, mostly skincare. That isn't for your skin. It's for someone else's skin because it doesn't actually fit your profile. So Bellabox, I'm gonna stay, but you need to amp it up because I've got lots of other bills to pay, you know, for $19.95 a month. I could put that towards something else if I'm not getting out of this box what I want. And I know what a lot of people have wanted. When you look online at their comment sections on Facebook and Instagram, all you get is people complaining, I'm sick of skincare, where's the makeup? I signed up for makeup. What is this bullshit, you know? So I love you, Bellabox. This isn't a hate on Bellabox. I love the company. I love everything they stand for, what they're trying to do. But I think it's time they amped it up. If they're going to continue upping the price, if they up it again and the quality doesn't stay, like, it doesn't increase, bye. Sorry, I've enjoyed it, but you know. Next product, Canvas Beauty Rose Otto Intense Moisture Mask. Another mask, another skincare product. I'll use it, but it's already 2 masks in this box. I got 2 masks in the last box and 2 masks in the last box before that. Bellabox, get your shit together. At least I might be able to use this mask since the other mask was for oily skin. Overnight moisture mask, so I could use this. However, I sleep on my face. I roll around. This mask is going to get all over my pillows and my blankets and everything. Like, I don't think I could sleep in that. I'll try it. I'll either use it as a moisturizer or wear it just as a mask for like an hour. I'm not going to sleep in it, but I'll still try that. But yeah, for the full size of this, it's $79. So, not really picking out products we can go out and buy again. We've got the sachet sample, the Revlon Youth FX Fill and Blur Primer. I'll try it, but I'm not going to really gain an opinion on it unless I can use it multiple times. So yeah, but I'll still use it. It's a sample, it's a sachet, it's a kind of protocol with Bellabox. I'm not mad about that one. I'm actually glad it's not a skincare sachet. And last but not certainly least, our one makeup product. It is the Mellow Cosmetics Precision Pen Eyeliner. We seem to get a lot of Mellow in this box. It's not like amazing, but it's still alright. And I'm not a big eyeliner person to begin with, but yeah. At least it's like a standard black felt tip pen. Looks to be pretty black. I'll add it to my drawer and see if I use it, but I mean, I'm just not an eyeliner person, and that's not discredit to Bellabox. A lot of people are going to love having this product. And it's a great product to include in a box, because I know in boxes where we've received concealers or powders, like I know some people aren't going to suit those colours. So this, I love that they include makeup products like that you don't need a colour match for. Like, send me some blushes and bronzers or some eyeshadows. Just Bellabox, go to BoxyCharm and get some ideas from them about the sorts of quality you should be getting for that price range. yeah, I'll try that one. And that's everything in the box. Overall, I'm pretty underwhelmed. I was excited for this box, particularly because of the price rise. I wanted to see, is Bellabox actually going to live up to it? I know they claim that the price rise was, you know, for the use of packaging and postage, which was the reason that they had last time. So get us better products. Like, I'm not too keen on this box, and I had to spend 20 bucks on it. So I did the word search, and it said find the makeup brand that all Bellas will be receiving and fill in the blanks to get a sneak peek of what everyone is getting in the September Bellabox. Everyone is getting something from Tarte. It was very obvious Tarte was a million times in here. I hope that including brands like Tarte isn't a once-off, and that they are going to continue to have big brands like this in boxes every month, because this is what we should be getting. And I hope the sample isn't something really tiny. I want something decent. Like, give me a Tarte blush, you know what I mean? Give me something decent, not a sachet, not a tiny little thing. Give me something decent from Tarte. So I think this is kind of the test. Will the next few boxes be up to par with the price? We'll see. Just because you included Tarte doesn't mean the sample's going to be good. But I have faith in you, Bellabox. You bring me something decent from Tarte, something decent sized, something I can actually dip a brush into, and yeah, I got my eye on you, Bellabox. Like, my criticisms are not without due course. I give a lot of happiness towards Bellabox. So if this is really good, and it's going to get people really excited. It's going to get people to want to sign up to Bellabox. But it takes follow through. You can't just do it once and then go back to what you were doing before. You have to follow through and continue to be good each month. So this Tarte thing can't just be a once off. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see, you sneaky Bellabox. Yeah, if you like the video, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what your thoughts are on your box. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.